off we go. And we've actually got shut of January at last, and we're into February. And I'm sorry I wasn't here last week, but I've had a bit of problem with the lugs. I put it down to Terry Hiscock, because I did notice last time that he'd got a little doll at the back of him next to his VC10 with a big pin sticking in its ear. So I think it was down to him. Anyway, we've got rid of the. You were glad to know we got rid of the sycophant who was running the job last week, because I listened to the recording, and according to him, everybody was fantastic. No, they weren't. They were mediocre at best. Speaking of which, I'll kick off. It's in another week it'll be 15 years since my dad died. And this is a song by Ivan Drever from the greatest folk rock group ever, Wolfstone. And it's basically about how things could have been better and perhaps should have been better, called If I Could. If I could look through my father's eyes, if I could see where he's been, if I could take me away from here, see all the things he has seen, if I could turn back time at all, if I could walk in his shoes, all of the legends he'd never tell, all of the times we could choose. If I could saddle my horse again, if I could ride through the storm, weather the hardship I saw in your eyes, steer you away from the frown. If I could harness the rays of the sun, warm up the chill in your day, if I could help you through stormy seas, in all of these turbulent ways. If I could tell you a different tale, if I could look in your eyes, all of the memories that we can hold, all of the truth and the lies. If you could drop me a line to say everything's going so fine, all of the hard times so far away, hiding behind the good times. If I could value your friendship here, if I could plough through the rain, all of those clouds would then disappear, if I could see you again. Ask me and I'd be there for you, sure as the night turns to day. If I could wander this path with you, all of its different ways.
Very nice, John.
Lovely. Lovely, John.
Oh.
Right. Oh.
Peter Audience is here now. We can relax. Peter Audience will supervise us all. Am I muted?
Right, we've got
Let me mute.
Brian and Susan next for 2 songs.
Oh. Did you notice? Did you notice that Storm got a bit of a battering in that song, John? He was mentioned
yes,
several times.
I got a mention, yeah.
He got mentioned in the same line as turbulent. Are you a turbulent person, Storm?
Not at this phase of my life, but I have known that phase in the past.
But you're calm now, thank heavens. Yeah. There we are. I'll shut up.
Right, shut up. Yeah, that's a good idea. Brian and Susan.
Right, thanks, John. This is Dougie MacLean's song. It's called New Tomorrow Now, but he first wrote it, he wrote it about 10, 12 years ago, and he wrote it about his first grandson, his first grandchild called Lewis, so he called the song a song for Lewis because he dedicated it to him. But then he didn't record it, and he had a few more grandkids, so he had a swift change of plan and thought, I can't write a song for every grandchild, so he changed it to New Tomorrow. And it's about hoping that he gets to live long enough to see his grandchildren grow up. So it's now called New Tomorrow. I'd like to say hello, to welcome you and let you know that if time will be our friend, get to watch you grow. And I'll help you to defend every new tomorrow. And this old heart is strong, shining through to lead you on. And if time will let us be, get to walk that field, and the mysteries that we see may be revealed. As old souls fade away, the sun shines on your brand new day. But if fear should enter in, you don't know what to do, you'll find me hiding in the wind, ever near you. I'd like to say hello, to welcome you and let you know that if time will be our friend, get to watch you grow. And I'll help you to defend every new tomorrow.
Splendid.
Just a reminder to all, if you feel free to unmute yourselves to show your adulation or otherwise, and then mute yourselves again, as I am going to. We've got two more singers come in, John. We've got Kevin
Can
and Gloria.
can you slide Gloria where Gwyneth was after Storm?
Are you all right after the storm, Gloria? Gloria, after the storm. And Kevin?
Kevin, I don't know Kevin.
No, I've just asked him if he wants to sing, and he said, yes, please. He's very polite.
Oh, we'll soon knock that out of him.
Yeah.
My voice and throat and cough isn't right still, so it might be a poem, not by myself, rather than risk a song at this stage. Is that all right?
There we are. Poems fine by us. Yeah.
Okay.
Well, just slide Kevin in front of you then, Alan.
Oh, there you are, Kevin. We're scraping the barrel with you and me at the end of the list. Where are you from, Kevin? Just let us know a little bit.
I'm from Manchester, but I'm living in Beer Regis in Dorset.
Oh, Dorset.
Dorset.
You're nearly tropical then.
Aye.
We've got a few people from down south. Yeah, we have quite. When you say down south, yeah, it's about half a dozen.
There's a few here that know me.
Yeah. Oh, lovely.
Oh dear. Oh.
Does his reputation
yeah.
come before him? This is the thing. I'll shut up, John. I'll shut up. Zip.
It's
Right.
even worse than that. Kevin
Well,
runs
we
his
know
own
Kevin.
Zoom on Tuesdays. So
Good
people
evening,
should check
Kevin.
it out.
Nice to see you.
Right.
Kevin, you could
We've
put
got
the
a song
link in the
from
chat if you
Susan.
How did you know?
He's very clever. Right. Anyway, I'll just introduce this song. This is a song by Craig and Willoughby. And I remember Catherine explaining that, as your children go off to university, or in her case, it was her niece, or even a friend or a loved one, you just want them to go away and to meet some nice people. And you want to be there for them, really, but obviously you've got to let go of them sometime. So this was written with that in mind, and it's called A Soft Place to Fall. Life is short, even on your longest days. Oh, time will never wait. Life's a chance, lay back and forth, dance with faith. Cast your dreams and sail away. I'm wishing you joy, peace, everything you need to keep you safe in the wakes of the storms. Wishing you hope, love, friends who help to guide
Oh, major 7 finish. Oh, lose half a house point for that.
Lovely.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ah, lovely,
Yeah,
lovely.
it's been saving that chord up for you all week, Alan, just to finish off with.
I can't help myself. I'm always listening, you know. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I can understand that you don't want your kids going off to university and meeting up with scumbags like me.
No.
But,
No, I didn't say that, John.
Would you like to have me as a friend, John? That's a song.
oh, no, I was planning doing that second half.
Oh, sorry. There it is. That was lovely. There's a certain you get into you two get into a groove, and the song then washes over us. You know? Do you know what I mean?
You mean you
Anybody else
switch
get
off?
that?
You switch off? Is that what you're saying?
No.
No,
You
it's just
no, you
gentle.
Relax.
Just-
Does that do?
you just get
Just gentle.
yeah. Candles round the bath. Beautiful.
We'll do a session of all Dougie songs, and everybody will be asleep by the time we finish.
Does Doogie know you call him Dougie? Oh,
Well, we are English. We're Scottish. We call him Doogie,
That's
but
right.
Doogie.
Yeah.
Doogie
I see
Boogie.
Gwyneth's back, so if you want
Yeah.
to slide her
Oh, Gwyneth.
before
I'll
Storm,
slide
I think she's probably a doubtful starter, but if you slide
Yeah.
her up before Storm, it
She's
just
smiling in that
separates-
picture anyway.
separates the ladies a little bit.
Yeah, lovely. We'll see what happens. It's all very exciting.
Talking about ladies,
Find one.
it's Izzy.
It's Izzy.
That was very loosely said, wasn't it, love? Lady and Izzy, not in the same sentence, I'm afraid. No.
You've got two X chromosomes in there, girl.
Yeah, but doesn't make me a lady. Just makes me female.
There we are.
I try hard not to be a lady. That's the way you enjoy life.
Give us a song, girl.
All right, sweetheart. If I disappear off your screens, don't panic. My thingy, camera jobby is having a bit of a problem with its cable. And I think it could be my wobbly knees. It could be anything, I don't know. So if I'm not there, don't panic, because I won't. Anyway, off we go. I'm going to sing Danny Boy, John, get your hanky out. Oh, Danny boy, the pipes are calling from glen to glen and down the mountainside. The summer's gone and all the roses falling. 'Tis you, that's gone wrong. Must go and I must bide. But come ye back when summer's in the meadow, or when the moon is flushed and white with snow. 'Tis I'll be in sunshine or in shadow. Oh, Danny boy, I love you so. And when you come and all the flowers are dying, and I am dead, as dead I well may be, you'll come and find until you come to me. There you go. The end. Oh, stop it, John. It wasn't.
That was lovely, Izzy.
Oh,
I didn't count, but
bless
the word dead comes into that song about half a dozen times. doesn't it?
Yeah, well.
It's a Celtic thing. We love to wallow. As the Irish will be wallowing tomorrow after
Of
an
course.
unexpected victory
And
by
the
Wales, of
Scots.
course.
And the English.
And the
Sorry,
English.
Leslie,
Yeah,
forgot you were there, love.
I think Murrayfield, they might as well just toss a coin and go and
Go
sit
out.
in the bar tomorrow. There's some 45-mile-an-hour winds forecast, so
Oh, lovely.
they might as well just flip a coin and then say, right, it's
Go and
yours,
sit in
and
the
then go off for a pint.
Sounds like a good idea, John.
That's like a bloody good idea to me.
I think Izzy's having a pint now. I see we are back on the
Cup of tea,
knitting
sweetheart.
circle again this week.
Oh, there's a
We've got-
bit of knitting going on, yeah.
Yeah, we've got Ruth in the knitting circle. Eveline is in the knitting circle. Carol will be there. Maureen's there.
Oh.
Anybody else knitting? No.
Izzy.
Oh, is it? Yeah. Right, Brian, are you knitting?
Yes, I am, yes. Anyway, this is
He's knitting next week's underwear.
yeah, this is a very slow song written and sung by Merle Haggard, but a couple from Norway converted it into a duet, and they were Arnie Benoni and Heidi Halge. Don't know much about Arnie Benoni, but I know quite a lot about Heidi Halge. Anyway, I'm going to sing this one with Linda.
Okay, here we go. Today I started loving you again, and I'm right back to where I've really always been.
I got over you just long enough to let my heartache mend. Then today I started loving you again.
What a fool I was to think I could get by with only these few million tears I cried. Well, I should have known the worst was yet to come, and the crying time for me had just begun.
And today I started loving you again.
And I'm right back to where I've really always been.
I got over you just long enough to let my heartache mend.
Then today I started loving you again.
What a fool I was to think I could get by with only these few million tears I cried. Well, I should have known the worst was yet to come, and the crying time for me had just begun.
And today I started loving you again.
And I'm right back to where I've really always been.
I got over you just long enough to let my heartache mend.
Then today I started loving you again.
Yes, today I started loving you again.
Today I started loving you, a classic Merle Haggard.
Right, thank you. It's good to see you sort of earning a crust and finding time to fit us in. A bit like Rich Kruger. God, he used to amaze me. He'd sit in his scrubs in his office for hours on end, just nip out, see a little baby, probably earn about $1,000 for 3 minutes work. And anyway, right, so Clive Mowry...
He might be listening to this, John, on the recording.
Well, Clive Mowry will be thinking, where's that bloody woman gone? I'm on in a few minutes.
Yeah.
But anyway, thanks for joining us, Linda. And it actually does give me great pleasure. I mean, you know I'm not a crow.
I'm very pleased for you.
Great pleasure to have Jeff back with us again.
There he is.
Thank you
hey.
very much. What you playing to? What's on your knee tonight, Jeff? Oh, it's the Loudon, is it?
Yes. It is. It is. All right. Okay. We all have to imagine that we are sitting on the station platform in Wigan around about 1962 for this next song. Okay. You'll all know it. Well, I'm sitting in a railway station, got a ticket for my destination. I'm on a tour of one-night stands, suitcase and guitar in hand, and every stop is neatly planned for a poet and a one-man band. Homeward bound, I wish I was. Homeward bound, home where my thoughts are escaping, home where my music's playing, home where my love lies waiting silently for me. Today's every day's an endless stream of cigarettes, magazines. But each town looks the same to me, chimneys and factories, and every stranger's face I see reminds me where I long to be. Homeward bound, I wish I was. Homeward bound, home where my thoughts escaping, home where my music's playing, home where my love lies waiting silently for me. Tonight I'll sing my songs again, I'll play the game, I'll pretend. But all my words come back to me in shades of mediocrity, like emptiness, harmony. I need someone to comfort me. Homeward bound, I wish I was. Homeward bound, home where my thoughts escaping, home where my music's playing, home where my love lies waiting silently for me. Silently for me. Silently for me.
Always nice to hear from you, Jeff.
I must correct you though, Jeff. It's Widnes North Station. It wasn't Wigan at all.
Warrington, I heard.
No, Widnes North.
North.
Stockton.
Well, it's up that way, isn't it? You know.
It begins with a W, and it's in the north. Yeah.
We wouldn't all fit on Widnes platform station anyway.
Well, it's not there anymore. It's been wiped out, but there we go.
Right. Well, thanks very much, Jeff. And I don't know if you know, but who else is on the call that might know? Alan and Alan. John Les died about a week or so back.
Oh, did he?
Yeah.
Oh yes. I took Jill out for a cup of coffee yesterday. She's just a wreck.
Yeah. Oh.
It's
John Les.
Is it next Tuesday's funeral or Wednesday? Tuesday, isn't it? Next week.
Bless him. John Les always claimed to have started Real Folk Club in 1964, and anyone who was around Real Folk Club at that time always refuted it. But
no, Alan, that's not true. John Les claimed to have started every single folk club in North Wales.
He did.
I wonder what made him do that.
I chucked him out of my group. I chucked him out of Fox Firkin. How about that?
Oh, you're a big rough toughie, aren't you?
What did he and Jill call themselves? High tension or something? What was that? No.
Highly strung.
Highly strung. Both very highly strung people. Jill the lesser, but oh bless him. There we are. He's gone to paint signs up in the sky now.
Well, probably to drink pints up in the sky.
Oh well, bless him.
I don't think the booze did him any good, really.
He was on the port when he died, you know.
Oh, was he? Port.
Oh. Right, Tamsin, are you there? We can just see your cat.
Hello. I am here. I just have the video off because of the internet's not very good.
Right.
So
You're in your onesie. You're in a onesie, aren't you? That you don't want us to see you in your gym jams. That's what it is.
I will not confirm or deny that.
Good girl.
I'm just going to do a short one because I have a bit of a sore throat. Whiskey is the life of man. Whiskey, Johnny. Whiskey is the life of man. Whiskey for my Johnny, oh. Oh, I drink whiskey when I can. Whiskey, Johnny. I drink it out of an old tin can. Whiskey for my Johnny, oh. Whiskey gave me a broken nose. Whiskey, Johnny. Whiskey made me pawn my clothes. Whiskey for my Johnny, oh. Whiskey drove me round Cape Horn. Whiskey, Johnny. It was many a month when I was gone. Whiskey for my Johnny, oh. I thought I heard the old man say, whiskey, Johnny. I'll treat my crew in a decent way. Whiskey for my Johnny, oh. A glass of grog for every man. Whiskey, Johnny. And a bottle for the shanty man. Whiskey for my Johnny, oh. Thank you.
Oh, abrupt. No telegraphing there. Abrupt.
Right, didn't sound like you were quite on your own there, Tamsin.
She's got a bottle of whiskey with her, surely.
My sister joined in on the choruses.
Oh, lovely.
Nice.
Right, thank you very much. We enjoyed that. That was good. But I wasn't here last week because I was the deaf, dumb and blind kid playing pinball or whatever. I lost my hearing last week. And I understand Terry wasn't here because he emailed me to say he had a spot at Cambridge Folk Festival. What he didn't say was that the spot was the spot they'd given him for his burger van at Cambridge Folk Festival. So anyway, at least Terry, when you go home of a night, at least you don't go home with your hair smelling of fried onions, do you?
I certainly don't. No. I'll leave that behind. And I come back in my burger van, and I'm quite happy, I can tell you. Yes. Yes, that was it. Cambridge. It was nice little gig. Not a great many people there, I've got to say. It was fairly quiet, but it was a good evening anyway.
People are frightened to go out, aren't they? That's what's happened now.
I think so. I did a club in Islington last Thursday, and that was similar. There were about 25 people, I suppose, and it was a great time. It was a lovely audience, but I think people are being a bit cautious still. So there it is. Anyway. Here's a song. This just briefly. This is about a lad I knew. Do you remember when we were back in Afghanistan and we had all those news reports every night about another soldier in Helmand Province and next of kin had been informed and so on? Well, we knew this lad who was out there, Sonny. We called him, and we just used to hold our breath every time we heard those announcements. This song is really about those times. Raining then, it's raining now, washing out those red tail lights on Main, and those city boys, they're racing for another train, and we're waiting for Sonny to get home. Faded flags, folded clothes. Kids are down, curtains closed. And sisters, she's sitting by the telephone, just waiting for Sonny to get home. Yes, we're waiting for Sonny to get home. Another place, another time. Sisters left and the kids all grown, and we're sitting here trying to read between the lines, just waiting for Sonny to get home. Waiting for Sonny to get home.
Wow.
Thank you.
Now Sue now knows what Brian wants for Christmas. A resonator guitar and a little slidey finger thingy.
Sounded
Terry,
gorgeous.
When are you going to do another CD, Terry?
Yes, is he? Yes, I'm thinking about it at the moment, so I'll let
Stop
you know.
thinking, just get on with it.
Well, I don't know, because last time I was here, John was saying that the material on it was a bit thin. So
Well, see, well, ignore him. He knows nothing. Just crack on. Come on.
All right, thanks. I will
You've been told by your mother.
Right. Oh, more. Oh, God. I'm going to be seasick if I look at Maureen too long, I think.
Oh,
it's looking a bit rough there. Oof.
Rough in the Northwest Passage.
Is that your back passage or the Northwest Passage, Maureen?
Great Lakes, is it? What is it?
This is
We
the
can't hear
North
you.
Sea. This is the North Sea that goes with this next song. All set? Ready?
Yep.
Okay. So this is called the North Sea Holes, written by Ewan McCall, Peggy Seeger, and Charles Parker. Come all you gallant fishermen that plough the stormy sea, the whole year round on the fishing grounds on the northern minch and the Norway deeps and the banks and knolls of the North Sea Holes, where the herring shoals are found. It's there you'll find the Norfolk boys and the lads from Peterhead. There's Bucky Shields and men from Shields on the northern minch and the Norway deeps and the banks and knolls of the North Sea Holes, where the herring shoals are found. From Fraserburgh and Aberdeen, from Whitby, Yarmouth town, the fleet's away at the break of day to the northern minch and the Norway deeps and the banks and knolls of the North Sea Holes, where the herring shoals are found. It's off with your boiler full of steam and your engine spick and span, to fish the grounds, the North Sea round, and fish the knolls and the North Sea Holes, and try your luck at the North Shields Gut with a catch of 100 cran. No need to wait for wind and tide, you're the master of the sea. Come or squall, just shoot and haul, and fill your hole with the fish hold. With a fish to be sold, and steam ahead for the curing shed and the buyers on the Yarmouth Quay. Come all you gallant fishermen that plough the stormy sea, the whole year round on the fishing grounds on the northern minch and the Norway deeps and the banks and knolls of the North Sea Holes, where the herring shoals are found. It's up at the dawn with your sea boots on. North Sea Holes.
There was a big cheer behind me when you mentioned Aberdeen.
Hey.
Yeah. Was that one of the songs written for the radio series Singing the Fishing? Was it called Singing the Fishing?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Now, I've only learned this from my new friends on Zoom.
Oh.
I just discovered it looking for a different herring song. I love shoals of herring, but I was looking for a different one.
Well, we're returning with 100 cran soon. That's all I'm going to say.
And a cran is 37.5 gallons.
Is it really?
Yeah. Well, that was in quiz about 3 months since.
37. Well, I've slept since then. Did they carry a cran on the back? Is that no? 37.5 gallons. No.
No, it's a bottomless bucket. I think they just tip the stuff in and.
Right.
So what
I
they
looked
use?
it up in case somebody asked me the skill testing question.
Oh.
In case it was a test.
Yeah. And did you get 37.5 gallons as well?
I did.
That sounds like Wikipedia's told you both the answer then, doesn't it?
Is it British gallons or
Proper British gallons.
What about in Canada? Do you use American pints or British pints and gallons? Because they're bigger, British pints and gallons.
Imperial,
Probably
Brian.
In
Oh,
a
sorry,
province
Imperial.
called British Columbia, I think we use British.
Excellent. Excellent.
What are they using now down in Cardiff? Because I understand that the Welsh rugby supporters are so badly behaved and can't hold a drink that they're having to sell weak beer and stop selling it at half time because
The standard measure is a canful, John, not a cranful. A canful.
they can't hold the beer down in Cardiff. They're going to have to start. They're stopping selling it at half time.
Well, I feel sorry for Jim down there in Georgia because he's got small pints. If he asks for a pint of something, he gets less than a pint. That's not fair, is it? He's already in prison.
Don't
Give
be
him a
making
full
fun
pint.
of the size of my pints.
Moving on.
Nothing like a good.
John and Carol.
Oh dear. Okay.
It looked a bit white when I looked over towards the Clewedians this morning. It looked a bit white up your way.
Nothing showing at the minute, unless it's further up the road. But
Yeah, Moyle Vamai was well covered.
Right. Oh well. No, we've actually been. No, we've been out to Babelth today.
Oh, it went. I think it had gone by about 11 o'clock or something.
No,
like
it's
that.
it's still very white on the hills up here.
Is it really? Well,
It
there we
certainly
are.
is.
Did you mean
Right.
Babeth, John?
Babette, yes, sorry.
Babette.
Yeah. My mistake. Don't forget I'm only an incomer.
Well, get on with it.
A very enthusiastic incomer, however. All right, I'll get on with it now. Shut up, John. I'm just playing this to annoy Alan Manouche. I was walking along the lane one day when I found a four-leaf clover. Along came lovely Nancy May, who tripped and then fell over. Her skirts went flying in the air, so what I shouldn't have uttered. I was the vicar's only son, she was the farmer's daughter. Well, I blushed from me head down to me boots, but Nancy didn't care. Oh, she took me by the hand and said, "Let's see what we can share." Oh, led me to the river bank, said, "Sir, what is your fancy?" Taught me all I had to know, me dearest darling Nancy. Ooh. 4 months later we were wed, with a father standing by. Oh, Nancy looked a picture then, with a belly oh so round. Oh, there was love and laughter in our eyes, like a lord and his lady. Following year our son was born, bonny bouncing baby. We've been married 10 years now, 4 sons and a lovely daughter. Now me story has to end, me song it is now over. But I still do bless the day I found a 4-leaf clover, keep it for the memory of me Nancy falling over. Oh, what a lovely memory of me Nancy falling over. Thank you.
Rubbish, what rubbish?
Brilliant, John.
Well done, John.
You buggers had better watch out next Wednesday. Right, I'm going to move.
I won't be there Wednesday, but I should be there Tuesday, John.
All right, I'll shoot you on Tuesday. Carol, move this end.
Just moving the stuff out of the way so you've got a clear pathway
That's all right.
I feel like it's attacking me.
That was the idea. No.
How's that for sound? Thank you. This one's called St Ives. St Ives in the sunshine is a lovely place to be, with the surf and the sand and the shimmering blue sea. Stretching my legs, wiggling my toes, splashing through the puddles, searching out the coves. St Ives in the rain refreshes differently. White surf, crashing waves, surging rough sea, jumping over puddles, running through the rain, chasing the rivulets as they run down the window pane. I like St Ives all the year round. I've even been there when there's snow on the ground. It's a good place to chill, to relax and unwind, to renew your energies and bring peace to your mind. Thank you.
Oh, very nice there, Carol. Very nice.
Just a swift commercial break here. Our Tuesday evening live club and our Wednesday evening Zoom session. We have got this lovely painting which is done by a friend of mine and a member of the Dragon's Breath Folk and Acoustic Club, Mr. Neil Martin.
Are you raffling it?
It's our new banner. Look at that.
No!
I just thought I'd let you see it. There we are. All hand painted. Wonderful, wonderful.
It's like bullseye. This is the prize you could have won.
Look what you could have won.
Always a speedboat. Who wants a bloody speedboat?
I was just wondering if you were, as you were going to St. Ives, if you met the man with 7 wives.
Yeah, we've done that.
You wouldn't
put all the
believe
cats in
actually
the bag and
how
put all
many
the cats in
there
the
are
bag
in
and
St.
chuck them in the
Ives.
river.
Aye.
There are actually a lot of cats in St Ives that don't go anywhere near any rivers, John Shepherd.
No. There are plenty of dragons over in Trident as well, see.
Right, Gwyneth, she's necking something. Are you up to doing a bit for us?
Hey.
Is it neat gin?
I wish. I'm going to try and do the shortest one. One of the shortest ones I know. Let's just see how it goes. You will all know it. Please join in the choruses in your own home.
I got in trouble for joining in with John.
Yes, thanks for that, John.
You'll all know it anyway. Molly Malone. In Dublin's fair city, where the girls are so pretty, I first set my eyes on sweet Molly Malone, as she wheeled her wheelbarrow through streets broad and narrow, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh. Alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh. She was a fishmonger, and sure 'twas no wonder, for so were her father and mother before, and they both wheeled their barrows through streets broad and narrow, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh. She died of a fever, and no one could save her, and that was the end of sweet Molly Malone. Now a ghost wheels her barrow through streets broad and narrow, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh. Thank you.
Oh, you see, you got through it.
Alan was trying to
No. That was, she died of a fever. I wasn't telling you to stop. She died. Sorry. It was the same in primary school. I'm sorry. Yeah.
Sorry.
Bless you. You did get through it. Well done.
Yeah.
Get some more gin down you now.
Yeah,
You deserve
apologies
it.
to those that heard it on Wednesday, which was the last time I attempted to sing. I then couldn't sing last night, but I'm not sure that Molly Malone would have gone down well in Belfast anyway. So.
Well, we wish you well, and we hope you get your full voice back and without the coughing very soon.
Hopefully. Thanks.
Right, we're moving across the water to the man with the flat hat.
Happen.
You look like a northerner there. Have you got some whippets?
Aye, he's got a few whippets. He's going to work at the mill as well. Aye.
No. Storm, are you with us? Is
I
there
am.
anybody there?
Yep, I was here. So I get this page of, it's an email every day telling me little bits of history. And today is the day that Karen Carpenter died. But that, when I looked at Karen Carpenter's songs, I said, no, I don't think so. But it was also the day that Patty Hearst was kidnapped by the Symbionese Liberation Army. And it turns out that she was captured finally on my birthday. And when I was 17, I actually was an intern in an organization where I had to stay with some people while I was interning. And they told me that they were members of the SDS, Students of a Democratic Society, and that if I ever saw anybody coming through the apple orchard, they should tell them, I should tell them immediately, because they still might be wanted by the FBI. And I found out years later that one of them actually might have been a woman from the Symbionese Liberation Army on the run. So for that reason, and because my country is beating the wars a drum again, I thought I'd do this combination. They're both by me. Drums. Beat the drums of war again. Wet their skins with the blood of men. Sound them both near and far. Another medal, another star. Loose the flag and let it wave over another needless grave. It's not only bars that make a prison, or walls that keep a man at bay. Not only guards who make him stay there. It's because he was taught to live that way. Every day I'll work a little to make this world a better place to be. Every day I'll work a little to make this world a place where all are free. It's not only chores that break a woman, not only working for low pay, not only those who prey upon her. It's because she was taught to live that way. Every day I'll work a little to make this world a better place to be. Every day I'll work a little to make this world a place where all are free. It's not only fear that shapes the children. Not only things that people say, not only hunger, pain, and longing. It's because they were taught to live that way. Every day I'll work a little to make this world a better place to be. Every day I'll work a little to make this world a place where all are free. It's not only dreams that build a new world, not only saying it's okay, not only pointing out unequals. It will be when we choose to live that way. Every day I'll work a little to make this world a better place to be. Every day I'll work a little to make this world a place where all are free. Every day I'll work a little to make this world a better place to be. Every day I'll work a little to make this world a place where all are free. Every day I'll work a little to make this.
Splendid.
Right, thank you, Storm. Yeah, I think the US has unfortunately shoved Putin into a corner, and it's difficult for him to move out of it without losing face. But whether the US just regard it as another away fixture, I don't know. But
well, neither president will get killed, will they? So they're all right.
Yeah.
It'll be foot soldiers as usual and civilians. I might just do the fiddle and the drum next week, Joni Mitchell's song. I haven't done that for years. I'll do that next week.
Right, well, thank you, Storm. You probably didn't understand what I was saying about the Whippets, but if you're from the north of England like me, the stereotypical northerner, who was actually at the club a few weeks ago, wears a flat cap, has a pair of whippets and keeps pigeons and eats black pudding every day.
Whippets are dogs, by the way, Storm, if you don't know what a whippet is either.
I know what a whippet is.
And drinks mild, if you can still get it.
But the other thing that we have here are whippets that you sniff and get high on.
No, nothing like that. I wouldn't sniff a whippet if it was the last thing on earth.
Right, Gloria, are you still there?
Yes, I am.
Gloria's hands are there. Oh, you're there.
It's those big hands that get me. They're a bit scary.
It's probably to do with the fact that I'm watching it on the bigger screen, and where I've got two screens going, it's something to do with that, I expect. Right, here's a poem that, as I say, I didn't write myself, but I think it's quite a nice one. It's called With the Cat Sat on My Lap. With the cat sat on my lap, there's nothing to be done except to stroke his flicking ears and watch the morning sun. As it moves across the garden, casting shadows here and there, I'll take a sip of coffee and recline here in my chair. A feline twitch and bird song is all I have in mind, a perfect combination to help my soul unwind. The cat breathes deeply in and out, the rise and fall of fur, the mesmerizing sense of peace, the hypnotizing purr. I stretch to reach my favorite book of pictures I hold dear, of loved ones and of happy times and places far and near. And in my mind I'm traveling over land and sea, yet I'm not going anywhere with the cat sat on my knee. The angry noise of the world can wait as I take my lead from the cat, tune into nature's rhythm and sat here where I'm and stay here where I'm sat. There's so much fuss and stress out there, I've got better things to do. If it's good for the cat to do nothing, then it's good to be good for me too. Now I'll take a breath and close my eyes, and I might just have a nap. So much to do while doing nothing with the cat sat on my lap. Thank you.
Very true. Very true.
I expect that's why Tasman's cat sticking its tongue out.
Is that what it's doing? I couldn't see that. I wondered what that was. I thought it had swallowed something.
It's trying to swallow a treat, the cat treat.
You were right then. Right, thank you, Gloria. Where are we now? Ian.
Thank you very much. Right, I didn't realise until Storm mentioned it earlier on that today was the anniversary of Karen Carpenter's death. But this is a tribute to the Carpenters. It was one of their first UK hits in the early 70s, and it's Close to You. Why do birds suddenly appear every time you are near? Just like me, they long to be close to you. Why do stars fall down from the sky every time you walk by? Just like me, they long to be close to you. On the day that you were born, the angels got together and decided to create a dream come true. So they sprinkle moon dust in your hair of gold and starlight in your eyes of blue. That is why all the boys in town follow you all around. Just like me, they long to be close to you. On the day that you were born, the angels got together and decided to create a dream come true. So they sprinkle moon dust in your hair of golden starlight in your eyes of blue. That is why all the boys in town follow you all around. Just like me, they long to be close to you. Ah, close to you. Ah, close to you. Just like me, they long to be close to you. Thank you.
Thank you, Ian. Right, we've got a lot of people missing tonight, haven't we? No Davith, no Gaffer. Paul Clark's not here.
Did they know I was coming?
Well, maybe.
Well, you tell us. Right, I've just had a message from Brian and Sue. Yes, we will avoid Zooms on those dates. Don't worry, I'll make a note of them. So we don't want you sitting on Rill Beach singing in your car like Helen Shilliday did. Right, where are we? Well, I don't know Kevin, so Kevin's going to tell us all about himself and probably publicise his own session. Which is fine.
It's on a Tuesday if anybody's interested. But as I'm from Manchester, I had to do a Les Barker song. He used to live in Manchester before he was abducted by the Welsh.
He's a fluent Welsh speaker now, is Les?
I know he wins prizes in.
He's very good.
Welsh.
Yeah, he's a good lad. He's a good lad.
So this is a song called the Selneck Shanty. All you need to know about it is that nice Mr. Heath in the 1970s created Greater Manchester, and they called the bus company Selneck, which stood for South East Lancashire and North East Cheshire. And one of the problems with Zoom is you can't have call and response. So I've tried to work around that. It was a cold and frosty morning in late August. Late August. And most of my money being spent. Oh, well, we couldn't afford a holiday with Cosmos. So down to the Selneck office I went. I told your ma. It isn't far. Ride on the 60, all of us. Oh, well, we might all get home for Andy Pandy. We're only off to Lower Corumsall on the bus. Oh, well, we found there wasn't much demand for coach trips. For the colonies, for Frisco or for France. We could only just afford the trip to Crumpsall. And we had to book a fortnight in advance. It isn't much to pay for so. Ride on the 60, all of us. So fasten seatbelts, paper bags are handy. And we're off to Lower Corumsall on the bus. Well, there were Frenchmen and lesbians and Russians. And Yanks with fancy cameras round their necks. Photographing all the famous sights of Crumpsall. And the couple on the back seat having sex. The sign says it's not nice to spare. To smoke or have a dog downstairs with us. But there's not a sign about being randy. Sex in Lower Corumsall on the bus. In Crumpsall there's a pub, the Jolly Sailor. The landlord said our dog was underage. He's underage. He said he hadn't reached the age of puberty. And Judy's wooden leg off in a rage. They had a duck fight, served him right. Well, he didn't hadn't made a fuss. So we put our Sunday back inside his suitcase. Came back from Lower Corumsall on the bus. And now that our holiday is over. And we're drinking tea before the epilogue. And we laugh about the way we cheated Selneck. A suitcase we had smuggled at our dog. Oh, where's he gone? We left him on. The 60 were in trouble now because our bloody red golden Labrador called Sandy. He's gone back to Lower Corumsall on the bus. Yes, our bloody red golden Labrador called Sandy. He's called Sandy. He's gone back to Lower Corumsall on the bus. Thank you.
That's innovative. Quality.
Very clever.
Okay.
Now that's what technology's for.
Oh yeah. Two of yourself. That's good value, isn't it? We got two Kevins there. Fair play. I've never seen that done before. I mean,
That's absolutely brilliant.
Now that Brian and Linda, Linda's not here, but now that Brian will tell Linda that's what they'll be doing now.
I'm looking at Brian's picture and I'm dreading what he's doing, setting that off.
That's two of us, John.
Right, thanks Kevin, that was great. That was a nice breath of fresh air there. You're on, Jones. Come on.
I've got a different song. I was trying to work out. Oh, it's a Three Loudon night tonight. You, me, and Jeff Durno, and it's a fairly exclusive club. Brian and Sue Brian.
It's all right for those who can afford a Loudon.
Oh well, yeah. I got mine for a four-figure sum, £29.95. Yes, not quite.
Sure you did. Yeah.
Not, a bit more than that. But it's been the best guitar I've ever had, and I keep going back to it, despite the new ones I get. I was going to do a Ralph McTell song, but I'm doing a Paul Simon song. and it was now. John, you mentioned 15 years since your dad died. Well, this month it's actually 50 years since I lost my mum. February 27th, 1972. What a bugger. I was 17. And I've still not got over it. I talk to her a lot. And so I'm going to dedicate this song to my mam, who was not called Kathy at all. And this is Kathy's song, as sung by the curly one, Art Garfunkel. And this is Kathy's song anyway. I hear the drizzle of the rain, like a memory it falls, soft and warm, continuing, tapping on my roof and walls, and from the shelter of my mind, through the window of my eyes, I gaze beyond the rain-drenched street to England, where my heart lies. My mind's distracted and confused. My thoughts are many miles away. They lie with you when you're asleep, and kiss you when you start your day. And a song I was writing is left undone. I don't know why I spend my time writing songs I can't believe, with words that tear and strain to rhyme. And so you see, I have come to doubt all that I once held as true. I stand alone without beliefs. The only truth I know is you. And as I watch those drops of rain weave their weary paths and die, I know that I am like the rain, there but for the grace of you go I. there, but for the grace of you, go I.
That wasn't half bad, Alan.
Lovely.
Gorgeous, Alan.
Lovely song, lovely song. And I learned recently it was about Art Garfunkel's wife, who's called Kathy or Kath, and he's still with her after a long time. So that can't be bad, can it? Anyway,
That was, I think that was the first song.
5 years.
What was that, John? I missed that, John.
I said I've been stuck with this one for 55 years.
how very dare you? Well, I've passed my golden wedding if you're allowed to add wives up.
Oh.
No, that's cheating.
Only had the one.
Take it you're in the room on your own.
I think that was the first song I ever did in public.
Oh,
sort of thing. It was at Leeds University Mountain Hut, up in the Duddon Valley. We were snowed in. It was a captive audience, and I think everybody was just absolutely pissed out the brains.
It's the best way to do it, John.
Yeah.
Right, this is something that Alan mentioned earlier. I didn't know I was going to do it, but lots of good things have come out of Burnley. Jimmy Anderson, Sir Ian McKellen, and Chumbawamba, who wrote this, or sort of, I've changed it a wee bit, but basically, if you're one of these people who go on social media, you should beware, because there's people like me out there. I'm a loner, alone with neuroses and hate. Anger is a permanent character trait. The letter bombs are primed and they're ready to send. Would you like to add me as a friend? I'm a wound up whiner with a fetish for guns. Nearly 50 and I live with me mum. I hope that my nude picture didn't offend. Would you like to add me as a friend? Add me, oh add me. My mother says she wish she never had me. Add me, oh add me. Would you like to add me as a friend? I'm a solvent abuser, I rarely leave me room. Peeping through the curtains in me dog costume. The voices in my head, they'll get me in the end. Would you like to add me as a friend? I'd like to send you a picture that I drew. The body's Izzy, but the head is you. I've asked you 50 times before, I'm asking you again. Would you like to add me as a friend? Add me, oh add me. My mother says she wish she never had me. Add me, oh add me. Would you like to add me as a friend? is a picture of me in my Nazi uniform, doing a trick with an egg that I like to perform at a monster truck rally that my mum and me attend. Would you like to add me as a friend? I've added Susan and Brian, Carol and John. I'm gonna find their address so I can visit them at home. I don't like people, but I like to pretend. Would you like to add me as a friend? Add me, oh add me. My mother says she wished she'd never had me. Add me, oh add me. Would you like to add me as a friend? Would you like to add me as a friend?
Excellent, John.
I've just
The
taken
answer
you
is
off. I've just
no.
taken you off my friend list, John.
We should be afraid, shouldn't we?
Don't you worry, John. I'll add you, even with all your little
Oh.
foibles. No.
Way.
Don't let-
The closet fascist.
Is he no mates, is it?
Yeah. Is he no Facebook? Or any other social media for that matter?
Where did that come from, John?
A group of people known as Chumbawamba.
Don't ask,
You're none
Storm.
the wiser now, are you?
They're a very left-wing.
Oh, well, there we
They
are.
were the
I know who Chumbawamba is.
Oh, whoa.
They were the people who threw a jug of water over John Prescott because he wouldn't support the
was it?
Liverpool Dockers.
Yeah.
Yeah, good Burnley people. You know.
Power
Right.
some people. Oh, son up.
Get off, Citizen Smith.
Brian and Susan do two for us.
All right.
Okay, thanks, John.
Thank you, John.
This is technically it's a Bob Dylan song, but everybody we all certainly only know it from Adele. I don't think I've even heard the Bob Dylan song version, but you already know what it is. It's To Make You Feel My Love.
When the rain is blowing in your face and the whole world is on your case, I could offer you a warm embrace to make you feel my love. When the evening shadows and the stars appear and there's no one there to dry your tears, well, I could hold you for a million years to make you feel my love. I know you haven't made your mind up yet, but I would never do you wrong. I've known it from the moment that we met, no doubt in my mind where you belong. I go hungry, I go black and blue, I go crawling down the avenue. No, there's nothing that I wouldn't do to make you feel my love. the storms are raging on the rolling sea and on the highway of regret. The winds of change are blowing wild and free. You ain't seen nothing like me yet. I could make you happy, make your dreams come true. There is nothing that I wouldn't do. Go to the ends of the earth for you, to make you feel my love, to make you feel my
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Absolutely beautiful too.
Wonderful.
If only Bob Dylan could sing like that.
I was just thinking Susan needs to learn to sing down her nose a little bit.
I'll see what I can do.
That's how you make money, isn't it?
I'll work on it.
Must have said you sound like Billy Connolly there.
Oh,
Alan.
yeah.
It's not quite so
The party
funny.
singer. Eddie-ho. Why do they hold the hand here? Eddie-ho. Nobody knows. No.
All right.
You've listened to too much Billy Connolly, Alan Rhys Jones.
And I'm going to listen to it again.
Yes.
John Warburton. Yeah. Fabulous stuff. Yeah.
Right.
So,
Something
just a
completely
change.
different.
Mm.
Unfortunately, it's me singing. This is got special dispensation from John Warburton to sing this song. I told him he should pop to the loo while we're doing it, but this is Colours.
I'm going to be listening to this, Brian and Sue. There you go.
Yellow is the colour of my true love's hair. In the morning when we rise, in the morning when we rise, that's the time, that's the time I love the best. Blue is the color of the sky. In the morning when we rise, in the morning when we rise, that's the time, that's the time, that's the time I love the best. Green is the color of the sparkling corn. In the morning when we rise, in the morning when we rise, that's the time, that's the time, that's the time, that's the time I love the best. Mellow is the feeling that I get when I see her. When I see her. That's the time. That's the time. That's the time I love the best.
of the time when I've been absolutely splendid, Brian and Sue. Lovely.
Thank you. Thank you.
With backing vocals from the Warbets.
Oh, yes. Much appreciated.
The
Thank
only
you.
thing is, I don't play the gob iron, but Brian was.
Neither do I.
Almost, yeah.
It's two of you then, yeah.
Yeah.
Is it? Have you got your clothes on there?
Have I got my clothes on? Of course I've got
Yeah.
my clothes on, darling. Well, some of them anyway.
Why?
Which bits would you like me to take off?
No knickers as usual, surely.
Oh, no, I
Izzy.
have them on. I have to keep my bum warm.
Of course.
It's only when I've got my fur coat on I haven't got my knickers on, Alan.
Oh, that's professional though. That's
exactly,
earnings. isn't it?
exactly. And every penny counts.
Oh.
I had to put the price up when they stopped making it up. Please.
She earned 27 and 6, and they said, "Who gave you the sixpence?" All of them.
All of them. It was a bit too much, though. I had to give them all change.
What was that about guineas, Alan?
Oh yes, your mother needs the shillings. That's it.
When I was a kid, my mum used to say, "Right, save all your spare money."
This
you
is
know.
for me.
Save all your spare money, but put it in your savings box. And my savings box was under the stairs, and I was 11 before I found out it was the bloody gas meter.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, what are you like? I
Yeah.
don't know.
Well, give us a song, is it? Come
All
on.
right, well, shut up then. Skyboat song. Speed, bonny boat, like a bird on the wing, onward the sailors cry. Carry the lad that's born to be king, over the sea to sky. Loud the wind howls, loud the waves roar, thunderclaps rend the air. Baffled our foes, stand by the shore, follow they will not dare. Speed, bonny boat, like a bird on the wing, onward the sailors cry. Carry the lad that's born to be king, over the sea to sky. Many's the lad fought on that day, well the claymore did wield. When the night came, silently lay, dead on Culloden field. Speed, bonny boat, like a bird on the wing, onward the sailors cry. Carry the lad that's born to be king, over the sea to sky. Though the waves heave, soft will he sleep, ocean's a royal bird. Rocked in the deep, Flora will keep watch by your weary head. Speed, bonny boat, like a bird on the wing, onward the sailors cry. Carry the lad that's born to be king over the sea to sky. Over the sea to sky.
Lovely, Izzy.
It's beautiful, Izzy. Beautiful.
I'm with me knitting now.
I
Proper
thought
singing.
Charles Edward Stewart have been well documented in the past, haven't they? Yeah, what a loser.
dear.
Left all his
That's-
men to get killed and then buggered off.
That's proper singing,
I'll
Izzy.
do
That's
that.
lovely.
Thank you, darling.
Oh, we have got some later out. Michael's been here for 5 minutes. Nice of you to join. Big of you to join us,
Oh,
Mike.
yeah.
Better late than never.
True.
And here's H. H is here now. Hello,
Hello,
H.
darling.
How many folk clubs have you done tonight?
300.
Oh.
Should have been in at least 10.
Another fur coat and no knickers job then, eh?
Where shall I stick her,
Probably.
John? Where shall I stick her? H.
Oh, anywhere you want.
Right, she's going in the middle there. She's going in the middle. Oh, ah, ee, oh, ah, oh. Who would know where she's going?
Did you feel
She's
that?
going
H?
up here. She's going up there after Terry. There she goes. Are you okay
Never
with that,
felt a
H?
thing, did you, love?
Yeah.
Good. It's nice to see you anyway.
Right, I've lost my oh, Brian's doing something really scary next. I can feel it in my bones.
No change.
Who's that behind you? Brian, who's that behind you? Come on.
Shania Twain.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. Anyway,
She's Canadian.
This is a song written by John Robert Lang and Regina Eileen Lang and sung by Shania Twain. I've made a few minor tweaks to it. It's a country rock song. It's normally much better done live because then the audience can get the volume up for the pre-chorus and the chorus, but I'm afraid you've only got me, so there we go. I woke up this morning with a buzz rolling round in my brain. I haven't been drinking, but it feels pretty good just the same. It must be contagious and looks like it's going around. It's cool once you catch it, but you can't keep your feet on the ground. Come on, let's get something started. Let's get something started now. Come on, let's start something new. Let's start something now. We're gonna rock this country. We're gonna rock this country. Every brown-eyed boy, every blue-eyed girl gonna really go psycho, give it a whirl. We're gonna rock this country right out of this world. Ah, ooh, na 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 na, na 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 na. Ah, ooh, na 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 na, na 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 na. Let's go! Hey, hey, hey! From Rhyl to Conway, Llandudno and Swansea too, or Cardiff, no matter where you live, this buzz is for you. Come on, let's get something started. Let's get something started now. Come on, let's start something new. Let's start something now. We're gonna rock this country. We're gonna rock this country. Every brown-eyed boy, every blue-eyed girl, gotta really go psycho, give it a whirl. We're gonna rock this country right out of this world. Ah, ooh, na 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 na, na 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 na. Ah, ooh, na 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 na, na 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 na. Let's go! Hey, hey, hey! We're plugging in the power and cranking up the sound. It's coming in your direction and it's heading to town. We're kicking up the dust and blowing off steam. Let's get nuts and now everybody scream. Ah! We're gonna rock this country. We're gonna rock this country. Every brown-eyed boy, every blue-eyed girl, gonna really go psycho, give it a go. We're gonna rock this country right out of this world. Ah, ooh, na 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 na, na 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 na. Ah, ooh, na 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 na, na 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 na. Ah, ooh, na 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 na, na 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 na. Let's go! Hey, hey, hey! Get ready! We're coming! We're gonna rock this country! Sweet little song.
I thought I'd just woken up on another planet somewhere.
Brian, when you were in having your stent put in, couldn't you have talked him into doing a frontal lobotomy at the same time?
It needed the chorus joining in, I'm afraid, there to get the volume up a bit.
We were joining in from the comfort of our own homes, Brian.
Oh, were you?
We're gonna rock this country.
Mr. Jones, I didn't expect to see pictures of sheep in the background going onto a Welsh site.
It's my family. What? It's my family there. What? Oh, look at this.
Oh, he's got Cine. He's one up on you, Alan.
He's got a posher computer than me, that's for sure.
Already.
Well, I think that's shocking. That's like pornography. That's like pastoral pornography. That is sheep moving round.
Yeah, and they've got lambs down there. It must be warm down there.
Yeah,
When I lived up at Llanefydd, they didn't start lambing round us till about St David's Day.
Quite right too. Quite right.
Right,
Well, yeah, you don't want to be out in the cold, do you?
Got the sheep. I
Well-
mean, lambs are really cute, but 6 months later, they're just bloody sheep.
They are.
Tamsin, you still there?
Tamsin, follow that. Is she there?
Yeah.
Oh, she is.
Yeah, she's there.
Hello. Sorry, just a second.
Earth
I don't-
calling Tamsin.
Hello.
Hello.
Sorry, I'm not. Sorry, I was feeding the cat. Didn't realise it was nearly my turn. I'm not sure if I've sung this one here before, but I'll just do it now. Oh, sorry. Now I've just completely lost the tune when I tried to start it. So I'll do a different one. Sorry.
Just take your time. Take your time.
Sorry. When I was a little lad, my mother always told me, way all away, Joe. If I didn't kiss the girls, my lips would all grow mouldy. Way all away, Joe. Way all away, we'll all away together. Way all away, we'll all away, Joe. Way all away, we'll hope for better weather. Way all away, we'll all away, Joe. King Louis was the king of France before the revolution. Way all away, we'll all away, Joe. But then he got his head chopped off, which spoiled his constitution. Way all away, Joe. Way all away, the good ship is a boarding. Way all away, we'll haul away, Joe. Way all away, the the sheet is now unfolding. Way all away, we'll haul away, Joe. The cook is in the galley, boys are making duff so handy. Way all away, a haul away, Joe. The captain's in his cabin, lads are drinking wine and brandy. Way all away, we'll haul away, Joe. Way all away, we'll haul for better weather. Way all away, we'll haul away, Joe. Way all away, we'll haul away together. Way all away, haul away, Joe. The way all away, I'll sing to you of Nancy. Way all away, we'll haul away, Joe. Way all away, she's just my cotton fancy. Way all away, all away, Joe. You call yourself a second mate, you cannot tie a bowline. Way all away, we'll haul away, Joe. You cannot even stand up straight when the packet she's a rolling. Way all away, we'll haul away, Joe. Way all away, the good ship is a boarding. Way all away, we'll haul away, Joe. Way all away, the sheet is now unfolding. Way all away, we'll haul away, Joe. Way all away, we'll haul for better weather. Way all away, we'll haul away, Joe. Way all away, we'll haul away together. Way all away, haul away, Joe. Thank you. I was doing this song, but I couldn't remember the first line, so I went for what I did know.
Well, go with how you feel. That's the thing. That was lovely.
Is that your big sister or your little sister that's there?
My big sister.
Does she boss you around, Tamsin?
She says yes.
Big sister's job, it's in the contract.
Your brief says you don't have to answer that question.
For fear of being bossed around even more. Yeah.
Tamsin's the baby.
For fear of having 7 shades kicked out of you.
Oh.
Rob, Tamsin's twin is 2 minutes older, so she only has older siblings.
And if you look at Gwyneth's box, it says, Gwyneth, try listening. She's listening. She's taking it all in.
Making notes.
There may be repercussions.
Right, we are down to Essex for Bergaman.
Bergamot.
Bergamot.
Oh, there's an idea. It's like hairdressers all have these puns, don't they? And fish and chip shops, Jeff's place. And cod is hell. God is waiting for Coddo. I've got a banana here. I'll shut up now.
Yeah, I can't remember in it. There were some good ones, weren't there? There's a whole load of them. Only Soups and Courses, I think, was one. I don't know. Here's an old 1930s blues song that's as popular today, I think, as it was when it was written in the Great Depression. Blind Alfred Reed. I remember a time when everything was cheap. Prices nearly send a man to sleep. But when I get my grocery bill, well, I feel like making my will. So tell me, how can a poor man stand such times and live? So tell me, how can a poor man stand such times and live? The doctor comes around, and his face all shiny bright, and he tells you everything's gonna be alright. But all he gives is a humbug pill, dose of dope, and a great big bill. So tell me, how can a poor man stand such times and live? Tell me, how can a poor man stand such times and live? Preaches for gold and not for souls, and that's what keeps us poor folks in a hole. Taxed and schooled and preached to death, hey, we can hardly catch our breath. So tell me, how can a poor man stand such times? Stand such times and live. So tell me, how can a poor man stand such times and
Must have had a misspent youth.
Oh, yeah. Yes, indeed.
I've heard that so many times up tempo, but that's the first time I've heard it played like that. It's lovely.
That was superb.
Yeah.
Yes, it's a good song. Good song.
Yeah. All he gives is a humbug pill.
Yes, dose of
dope and a
great
big bill. Yeah.
90 years on and there's not a lot changed.
No, it's all telephone consultations now, isn't it?
Oh, don't talk to me about
but,
that.
You know,
Oh, bloody hell.
it's not going to be as bad as when they've sold the NHS to the Americans. But there you go. That's coming next.
I blame Jim myself. It's all Jim's fault. He's happy to accept the blame there, look.
And Rich Kruger.
Hey, John, did you do telephone appointments when you were a dentist? Tell them what to do.
They'd have probably been popular.
Yeah.
Oh dear.
Piece of string, tie it round the doorknob, slam the door, job done.
Right, I'm looking at my watch and I'm thinking we're fairly quiet tonight. We're going to get through everybody this time, and then we'll have about a couple of slots. So it would be nice to hear from people that we don't hear week in, week out, i.e. one from Terry and an extra one from Kevin. I mean, Kevin's still got to do his second one, yeah? Is that okay with you? Yeah? Alan, you're muted.
Yeah, if Kevin passes the audition on his second one, we'll give him another song. It's great to see you, Kevin. It's nice to see new faces, although you've turned up with an old face, I notice.
That's what I was thinking.
Have you had that face all your life?
I'm the one that's nasty to people. Don't you start.
Well, it's a new trend.
Where
It
do you
must be
usually
the-
go to be insulted on a Friday night, Kevin?
It's everywhere I go, that's the trouble.
Never mind, love. Never
It
mind.
must be the beer I'm on, that's what it is.
Right,
What's your
down to
excuse every other
Cambridge.
week?
Oh.
H.
Shall we have a nice to H night tonight, do you think?
No,
Let's
no,
be
I
nice
don't
to
think
H.
so, no.
No.
No, she comes at whatever bloody time you call this. Dirty stop out.
I'm here. I did send a note. Right, I've turned into a bloke for this one. I've been roaming all my life, but now I've found a lady wife. I'm staying right here. I won't go sailing anymore. I won't obey the ocean's call. I'm staying right here. I'll be a man of the land. I'll be a man of the trees. I'll be a man wherever my woman will be. I won't be any captain's mate. I won't be servant to the seas, 'cause this pretty little woman is all I need. At 14, I was cabin boy to the fearsome fearsome Captain Buckleroy. I'm staying right here. When I was sick, he ordered cat o' nine until I said that I felt fine. I'm staying right here. I'll be a man of the land. I'll be a man of the trees. I'll be a man wherever my woman will be. I won't be any captain's mate. I won't be servant to the seas, 'cause this pretty little woman is all I need. At 20, I manned the crow's nest. The captain said I was the best. I'm staying right here. But I nearly lost my eyes to God, looking out for old Cape Cod. I'm staying right here. I'll be a man of the land. I'll be a man of the trees. I'll be a man wherever my woman will be. I won't be any captain's mate. I won't be servant to the seas, 'cause this pretty little woman is all I need. At 25, no man alive could match my skill at gunning. I'm staying right here. But the captain, he got drunk one night and broke the blasted cannon. I'm staying right here. I'll be a man of the land. I'll be a man of the trees. I'll be a man wherever my woman will be. I won't be any captain's mate. I won't be servant to the seas, 'cause this pretty little woman is all I need. The captain died at 28. By then I was his first mate. I'm staying right here. They tried to give me his command, but I was hungry for the land. I'm staying right here. I'll be a man of the land. I'll be a man of the trees. I'll be a man wherever my woman will be. I won't be any captain's mate. I won't be servant to the seas, 'cause this pretty little woman is all I need. I stepped ashore at Felixstowe and made for Bristol by the road. I'm staying right here. I fell in love when first I saw her, Avon County's finest daughter. And now she's got me staying right here. I'll be a man of the land. I'll be a man of the trees. I'll be a man wherever my woman will be. I won't be any captain's mate. I won't be servant to the seas, 'cause this pretty little woman is all I need. And now she's got me staying right here. Josh Bowker, Longest Johns.
Ah.
Oh, yeah.
Could you answer us a question? Were you the H that they were looking for on Line of Duty for you?
Don't tell anyone. Just
I've
got to go back and hide again now.
That's it now. Yeah. And another question from me. Are you in a photo booth?
No, there's just junk behind this curtain, so I'm hiding here.
Well, stay right here, as the song says. That's it.
Right, thank you, H, and thank you for sparing us a few minutes in your busy schedule. Maureen, put your knitting down, give us a song.
All right, thank you. Riding on the city of New Orleans, Illinois Central, Monday morning rail. 15 cars and 15 restless riders, 3 conductors and 25 sacks of mail. All along the southbound Odyssey, the train pulls out of Kankakee and rolls along the houses, farms and fields, passing towns that has no name, freight yards full of old black men and the graveyards of the rusted automobiles. Good morning, America, how are you? Say, don't you know me? I'm your native son. I'm the train they call the city of New Orleans. I'll be gone 500 miles when the day is done, dealing card games with the old man in the club car. Penny a point, ain't no one keeping score. Pass the paper bag that holds the bottle. Feel the wheels are rumbling neath the floor. And the sons of Pullman porters and the sons of engineers ride their father's magic carpet made of steel. Mothers with their babes asleep, rocking to the gentle beat, and the rhythm of the rails is all they feel. Good morning, America, how are you? I said, don't you know me? I'm your native son. I'm the train they call the city of New Orleans. I'll be gone 500 miles when the day is done. Nighttime on the city of New Orleans, changing cars in Memphis, Tennessee. Halfway home and we'll be there by morning, through the Mississippi darkness rolling down to the sea. But all the towns and people seem to fade into a bad dream, and the steel rails still ain't heard the news. The conductor sings his songs again. Passengers will please refrain. This train's got to disappear in railroad blues. Good night, America, how are ya? I said, don't you know me? I'm your native son. I'm the train they call the city of New Orleans. I'll be gone 500 miles when the day is done. Great Steve.
Excellent.
Right, get back to your knitting, girl.
What you knitting, Carol?
Cardigan for myself.
Oh.
You look after yourself. Don't you bother about anybody else. You take care of yourself, girl. That's it.
Show it.
I'm quite happy to take orders, but at the moment this is one for me.
Oh.
And they are paid orders, not just,
Oh, there we are.
Yeah.
There we are.
Look out. You're going to insult her shortly.
Oh, it's Dennis the Menace stuff.
There we are. All proper colours. Yeah. Well, get yourself a piano, and then I'll tune your piano for a cardigan. How's that?
Right, we're with you two, aren't we? Next, yeah.
Are we? Really? Right.
Yeah. Afraid so.
Sorry about that, John. What did you say? Oh, he's shut up now. We've had Chumbawamba from Mr. Shepherd there, so...
You're a bit quiet, John.
Oh, sorry, I've not moved my mic over. Is
That's
that better? Yeah.
Well, it depends which way you look at it.
Right, we've had Chumbawamba from you, haven't we? You see?
You have?
Yeah. So I can feel less guilty about playing the levelers now. So, we've had one revolutionary band on, so here's another one. Well, if I could choose the life I please, then I would be a boatman. On the canals and the rivers free, no hasty words are spoken. My only law is the river breeze that takes me to the open seas. If I could choose the life I please, then I would be a boatman. Well, if I could choose the life I please, then I would be a rover. And if that road was not for me, then I might take another. Cross mountains and the valleys deep, but I would take these weary feet. If I could choose the life I please, then I would be a rover. Hey! Woo! But these things, they're so hard for me. Cannot choose my own destiny. All the things that I want to see are so unclear. Hey! Woo! Well, I wish I could choose the life I please. I am not a free man. Others rule my destiny, but my will's never broken. I know someday I will be everything that I dreamed I'd be. And when I live the life I please, and I will be a free man. I know someday I will be everything that I dreamed I'd be. And when I live the life I please, and I will be a free man. And when I live the life I please, I will be a free man. Woo!
Now you see.
Brilliant, John.
Now you see, John could front a rock group. That's something I could never do. But John, you've got you've got the confidence to.
Don't encourage him. Don't encourage him. Shut up, Manouche.
Whispering Manouche. There he is.
Now, who said that men can't multitask? Because if you look at Andrew Pritchard, he is half listening to us, is stuffing his face, and is watching the football.
Oh.
All at the same time. Right.
He's had special training. I think.
1-1.
Yeah.
Oh.
Ruth's gone to bed.
Yeah, Ruth's had enough. She's gone to
Sorry,
bed.
who's playing football? Anybody important?
I wouldn't have thought so.
No?
No,
Anyway.
just Wales.
No one important in football, is there?
No, that's about sums it up, I think. Right, next week.
Right,
I
good.
understand we're live next week, are we?
We
Alan?
are live.
Yes.
So we're live next week, and then that's
And
the-
hopefully we're alive as well as live, John.
Yeah, we are live 18th. We've got guests on the 25th. Ben Robertson.
20.
Yeah, 25th.
Hang on.
Ben
It's the
Robertson.
4th, 11th, 18th, 25th. Yes.
And then we are back here on Zoom first week in March.
All right then.
Is
Right
that
then.
is that how I understood it?
That's how you understood it. That sounds pretty fair to me. Unless Andrew, if he can tear himself away from the football, beginning of March, first Friday in March is Zoom. Andrew, is that all right? He's chairman, you see. We got to check with him. He's chairman. He's got pips on his shoulder, pips and a crown. Yeah.
If anybody should want to Zoom weekly, of course, the
There's always
Dragon's
an
Breath Zoom
There's an
meeting.
opportunity.
Shut up! I'm just trying to make an announcement here.
Oh, quite right. Quite right.
Don't need
it.
Well, you come along to it, Mr. Manouche, so you can keep quiet as well. On a Wednesday evening, every Wednesday evening, the Dragon's Breath holds a Zoom session. And anyone who is free on a Wednesday evening and wishes to join is very welcome to.
But you'll get abuse from John all night.
I'll get abuse from Alan Manouche every time I turn him on. Oh, no, that doesn't sound right. No, forget that.
It will be on YouTube tomorrow, that one, John.
It will, I'm afraid, yes.
Yeah,
But
we will
there we
draw
are.
attention to that.
Yes.
In fact, Leslie's writing the blog tomorrow, so I think she might even put that in the blog, that you turn Alan Manouche on.
And he abuses him.
No.
Privilege.
Oh, God, no. No, he abuses me.
That's what I said. He abuses you.
Yeah.
For privilege.
Can you stop? Can you stop? I've got horrible pictures in my head.
Oh, no.
Have another can.
Yeah. But there we are. If you do want to come along, give me a message in the chat and I'll give you the codes. Okay? Those of you who aren't here,
I'm not coming for tea if you're going to abuse me next week.
I'm not going to abuse anybody. It's, there we are. Thank you very much.
Chaz and Jan, are you going to do us a song, or are you just here to have a gin and sit it out?
How are you for?
We have got loads of time, mate.
We'll sing one if you want us to sing one.
Where shall I shove them, John?
Where the sun don't shine. After Kevin, because Kevin
After Kevin.
Kevin's going to do one and then
do
another. So yeah, they're there. Right, we have got a plan now. So let's move on. Oh, it's Carol.
I'm going to do one now, and Carol's coming. Yes,
Yeah.
thank you.
I don't forget Carol, unlike her husband.
Thank you, John.
Thank you, everybody.
This one's called Sennin at Another Time. I stood on Sennin the other day, 'neath a grey and leaden sky. There was lots of spray crashing on the rocks, and the surf was running high. No surfers there that day, though, no children playing on the sand. But there was a bride and groom, finely dressed and lovingly holding hand. They were having pictures taken down by the foam. A happy reminder for them when they returned back home. So on that grey and leaden day, as I looked around at all that I could see, I realised that I'm not the only one who thinks Sennin is a lovely place to be. Thank you.
Well, I like the original Sennin as well. with with the fat bloke strumming his guitar.
I'm here now, John. You didn't get away with that. Thank you very kindly, anyway.
Right, Gwyneth, you're just listening now, are you, for the night? Right, okay. Storm, sitting there in the dark, a bit Gandalf-like.
He looks like he's round. He looks like he's round a campfire. Oh no! There he is, shilling in the meter, a dime.
It's more avoiding the glare and the fact that it's right over my head. Alrighty. So, okay. So a poem that's a little bit more the Carpenter side, and then my history told me that yesterday was the day that the plane went down that killed Buddy Holly and Richie Valens and the Big Bopper. So I'll do a song that's more in line with that. I figured I would not do American Pie. You might not let me back on because I only know the long version. All right. Planting a rainbow. I'd like to plant a rainbow in your garden and see its bands reflected in your eyes. I'd like to watch your smile as it's growing till it becomes another star for the skies. I'd like to weave a chain of clear days, place it gently on your brow. Then I'd know by your singing and your laughter that I had been a friend to you somehow. While walking through the woods not far from town, I got real shook. I heard the strangest sound. I saw the people try again. While walking through the woods not far from town, I got real shook. I heard the strangest sound. I saw the purple people eater, and to my surprise, the witch doctor sitting by his side. The witch doctor had a little guitar in his hand, and they were bopping and a-rocking with the two-piece band. Purple was a-blowing like a people eater should. Witch doctor picked like Johnny B. Good. They went ooh, ee, ah, 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 ting, tang, walla, walla, bing, ding, dang. Oh, Doc, I got troubles, that's what he said. Girls keep laughing about the horn in my head. The witch doctor smiled. Where'd it go? Sorry. The witch doctor smiled, and I heard him say, "Yeah, man, you're ugly, but you sure can play." There in the moonlight it seemed so strange as they blowed a chorus of Home on the Range. They were coming in strong like a rock and roll stars, making the sweetest music of this side of Mars. They went ooh ee, ting tang, ooh ah ah, walla walla ding dang. These cats from outer space were giving their all, and I could tell the way they rocked that they were having a ball. They were coming on strong. I was clapping my hands. Stopped long enough to say, "Crazy man." Soon at twilight time when the sun goes down, back in the woods on the edge of town, people all gather from miles around to hear Doc and old Purple play the crazy sounds. They go, ooh ee, oh yeah, ah ah ooh ah ah ah, ting tang, walla walla ding dang. Okay, one more time. Ooh ee, oh yeah, ooh ah ah, ting tang, walla walla ding dang. And you're 666 set. Ha 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 ha. Woo hoo, hoo hoo. Ha 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 ha. That's called the Purple. That's called The Purple People Eater Meets the Witch Doctor, and it was written by the Big Bopper.
Well, Wamalama Ding Dong.
Gloria.
Whatever turns you on, Alan.
Well, Guinness at the moment.
Oh, I didn't think you'd be drinking the Irish stuff.
Yeah, it's a double whammy. I've got a doll of Johnny Sexton to put pins in, and I'm drinking their beer. Ha!
Well.
Right.
Gloria,
Okay. This
ignore these people.
Well, I'll try to. Yes. This was a poem out a friend of mine's mum's book of poems that she wrote years ago, but it seems like it was sang, so I'll try and give it a sort of a folky sing-song to it. It's called A River Stroll. This long and winding river, how mighty is its right, it wends its way regardless, sparkling in the light. It sweeps away the flotsam that dares to cross its path. The ripples show their anger when the wind doth vent its wrath. I stand and watch it gently flow, serene in all its glory, a stately swan gliding along, extolling nature's story. An old tree, it stands alone beyond the river bank, reflected in the water, at times both dark and dank. How great that God has given us the chance to share his gifts, the right to share in all this glory, the right to pen this wondrous story. Thank you.
Oh, that was short and sweet.
The tune fitted well.
Well, it was only, I thought only meant to be a poem, but it said set to music, so I thought,
Yeah.
well, I'll do it like that then.
Grand.
Right, thanks. Ian, you there? You've just muted yourself.
Okay, right, I'm muted again. Thanks, John. Okay, so this was number one for Frank Harfield in 1963, and it's The Wayward Wind. The wayward wind is a restless wind that yearns to wander. For I was born the next of kin to the wayward wind. In a lonely shack by a railroad track I spent my younger days, and I guess the sound of the outward bound made me a slave to my wandering ways. And the wayward wind is a restless wind that yearns to wander. And I was born the next of kin to the wayward wind. Oh, I met a girl in a border town, I vowed we'd never part. Though I tried my best to settle down, she's now alone with a broken heart. And the wayward wind is a restless wind that yearns to wander. And I was born the next of kin, the next of kin to the wayward wind, the next of kin to the wayward wind. Thank you.
I was hoping there might have been a bit of yodeling if it was a Frank Harfield job.
I couldn't quite get to the yodel, so yeah, thank everyone.
Is that right, Ian, that somebody sold you to the New York Times for a 7-figure sum, Mr. Wardle? Wardle. It's one letter. You've changed one letter.
Oh, W-O-R-D-L-E, yes.
Wordle,
yes.
They've stolen it. There was a way back, there was a Welsh version called Lingo.
Right.
And it worked in exactly the same way. And David, our friend David, texted me and said, how has this guy got a 7-figure sum out of the New York Times? I said, I don't care. Anyone who gets a 7-figure sum out of the New York Times deserves our support.
thieves, damned Yankees, etc.
There's a couple on the call. There's a couple.
Right, see you soon, everyone. Cheers.
Okay. Okay. Oh, there we are. He's gone. He's going. He's gone. Oh, well, that's nice, Ian. Thank you.
Well, yeah.
Gone.
that was
gone.
good, isn't it? Eh? Sing your
Sing
song.
your song, bugger off. That's it. Sing your song, bugger off.
Kevin,
Yes.
entertainers.
If we all sang our song and buggered off, there'd only be one person left at the end of the night, wouldn't there? Sorry. Oh, he's gone.
Bit of Killers. On the corner of Main Street, try to keep it in line. Say you wanna move on, say I'm falling behind. Can you read my mind? Can you read my mind? Never really gave up, breaking out of this two-star town. Got a green light, got a little fight, gonna turn this thing around. Can you read my mind? The good old days, the honest man, the restless heart and the promised land. Oh well, a subtle kiss no one sees, a broken wrist and a big trapeze. Well, I don't mind if you don't mind, I don't shine if you don't shine. Before you go, can you read my mind? Funny how you just break down, waiting on some sign. Pull up the front of your driveway, magic soaking my spine. Can you read my mind? Can you read my mind? Oh, well, the teenage queen, the Lord had gone, dropped it, drained the chosen wall and a southern drawl. A well-done scene, a city wall and a trampoline. Well, I don't mind if you don't mind. Well, I don't shine if you don't shine. Before you jump, tell me what you find when you read my mind. Slipping in my faith until I fall. He never returned that call. Woman, open the door. Don't let it sting. I wanna breathe that fire again. She said, I don't mind if you don't mind. I don't shine if you don't shine. Put your back on me. Your back on me. Put your back on me. Stars are blazing like rebel diamonds, cut out of the sun when you read my mind. When you read my mind.
Very nice, thank you, Kevin.
Yep.
Right, and we're hearing another one from Kevin in a little while. Alice and Dave, are you about to get up to Will any time?
Wow.
Will you be there next week?
Oh, she's going to unmute. She's going to unmute. Look at that.
Yeah.
She's that.
Oh, no,
yeah.
next month.
No, not until beginning of March.
Right. We will look forward to you coming up there.
Yeah. We won't
Yeah.
see you till then.
Oh.
Too cold.
Too cold, yeah.
Right.
Right, okay, where are we now? We're with the Jenkins twins.
Why?
Hey up!
What do you mean, hey up?
Hey up, the Jenkinses.
In their IKEA uniforms.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, it's our Saturday jobs, isn't it?
Yeah.
You still do dib, 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 wheel, dob, 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 or is that all gone now?
That's all gone.
Is it?
Well, that's no good, is it?
Oh.
Breaking tradition. My God.
And no Bobber Job Week either.
Oh, no.
There is community service week now.
Yeah, well, I did community service, but that was for something else.
Yes. Ooh.
Well, get on with it.
Did you have a good night with? Did you have a good night with the Scouts tonight?
Yeah, we've done Chinese New Year tonight.
Oh right.
Oh, very good.
What did you do? Set fire to a Chinaman? What did you do?
Oh, well, we were very fortunate because one of the local Chinese restaurants donated food and
Oh, how
Oh,
awful.
you should have
How
invited us
awful.
round.
It was great. Lots of games. We've had a good night.
Excellent night.
Yep, really good.
Lovely.
Yep.
We're very happy for you.
Thank you.
I could have just done with a prawn curry.
We noticed on the chat earlier something about Fiddler's Dream. Well, we're going to do Fiddler's Green, so a bit of a sing-song.
Right, okay.
As I walked by the dockside one evening,
It's Fiddler's Dream.
to view the salt waters and take the salt air, I heard an old fisherman singing a song. Oh, take me away, boys, me time is not long. Wrap me up in me oilskin and jumper, no more on the docks I'll be seen. Just tell me, old shipmates, I'm taking a trip, mates, and I'll see you someday on Fiddler's Green. Now Fiddler's Green is a place I've heard tell, where fishermen go if they don't go to hell, where the sky is all clear and the dolphins do play, and the cold coast of Greenland is far, far away. Wrap me up in me oilskin and jumper, no more on the docks I'll be seen. Just tell me, old shipmates, I'm taking a trip, mates, and I'll see you someday on Fiddler's Green, where the skies are all clear and there's never a gale, and the fish jump on board with one swish of their tail, where you lie at your leisure, there's no work to do, and the skipper's below making tea for the crew. Wrap me up in me oilskin and jumper, no more on the docks I'll be seen. Just tell me, old shipmates, I'm taking a trip, mates, and I'll see you someday on Fiddler's Green. When you get by on dock and the long trip is through, there's pubs and there's clubs and there's lassies there too, where the girls are all beery and the beer is all free, and there's bottles of rum growing on every tree. Wrap me up in me oilskin and jumper, no more on the docks I'll be seen. Just tell me, old shipmates, I'm taking a trip, mates, and I'll see you someday on Fiddler's Green. Now I don't want a harp, not a halo, not me. Just give me a breeze and a good rolling sea. I'll play me old squeeze box as we sail along, with the wind in the rigging to sing me a song. Wrap me up in me oilskin and jumper, no more on the docks I'll be seen. Just tell me, old shipmates, I'm taking a trip, mates, and I'll see you someday on Fiddler's Green. Wrap me up in me oilskin and jumper, no more on the docks I'll be seen. Just tell me, old shipmates, I'm taking a trip, mates, and I'll see you someday on Fiddler's Green. And I'll see you someday on Fiddler's Green.
Oh, a nice comfy key. D major, good key. All the white notes, nothing against the black notes, of course.
That was a beautiful finish, Alan Reese Jones.
Well, I'd been squeezing along with them, and I was very pleased that it was a nice, easy key. So thank you very much.
That's right. Well, what you could accompany us in the club one time, Alan. That might be.
Well, I'm happy to do that. I would be delirious to do that. I would.
Good.
I would.
Right, boys and girls, the plan at 11:15 is one from Alan, one from Terry, and it's gone.
Kevin, no, it hasn't.
Has he gone?
No, it's still there.
Has he gone?
The boxes have moved. Somebody else.
Gloria's hands have gone enormous again. Have you spotted Gloria's hands? They're enormous. Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah.
One from Kevin, and then have you got another one just to round off the night and send us home with a song in our hearts? Alan?
I can squeeze one out. Yeah.
Not a Welsh dirge Hiraeth song. We don't want any of that stuff.
No, it'll be an Irish one probably.
Something jolly. Right, that'll do. Okay, so you knock one out now. You can knock a miserable one out now if you want.
Well, I've got a miserable Irish one because they'll deserve all the misery. Oh, it's a song I haven't sung for a long time. 1909 it was published. That's if my maths is correct, that's a long time ago. It's called She Moved Through the Fair. You may know it. It's a bit spooky. It upsets me if I think about it too much. My young love said to me, my mother won't mind, and my father won't slight you for your lack of kind. And she laid her hand on me, this she did say, oh, it will not be long, love, till our wedding Then she stepped away from me, and she moved through the fair, and so fondly I watched her move here and move there. Then she made her way homeward with one star away. As the sun in the evening glides over the lake, and the people were saying, no two were wed, but one had a sorrow that never was said, and she made her way homeward with her goods and her gear. And that was the last that I saw of my dear. That night she came to me, my dead love came in, and her feet moved so softly that they made no din. And she laid her hand on me, and this she did say: be long, love, till our wedding day. Oh, it will not be long, love, till our wedding day.
Lovely, Alan.
Wow, that was beautiful, Alan. Beautiful.
Bit slow, but that's the mood I'm in.
However, I must say, if you don't mind me, and there's no insult intended in this, the best version of that was by a band called All About Eve.
All
in the
About
late
Eve.
80s. The singer was Julianne Reagan. And her voice is just, there we are. Just have a look at it on YouTube.
I will. All About Eve.
All About Eve, yes.
All About
I
Eve.
like the Sid Kipper version myself.
I'm sure you do, yeah. That's about your level, mate.
My young love, she said to me, my mother won't mind, and my father won't care, for with drink he is mine. Then she leaned herself on me, and this she did say: it will not be long, love, till they open again. And the rest. Right, where are we?
Oh, there we are. That's broken the spell, John.
Yeah. You don't want to get too serious. Oh, he's still got his resonator. He's been practicing this week.
I have, yes. Well, that little interlude, yes, the Sid Kipper version, because that this song isn't very reverential, so that was a nice little break. This is a little silly song.
Moonlight, wouldn't you like to shine on me? Keep me company tonight. A starlight, you'll never be lonely. Moonlight, you are my only guide tonight. On my way home. Hey, mister, is this right? I'm trying to find a place I know. I left her waiting here a long, long time ago. A moonlight, maybe you'll light my way tonight. I'm on my way tonight to the one I love. mister, won't you follow me down? I know I left it way too long. 'Cause somewhere I know she's there, whether I'm right or wrong. A moonlight, let's call it a day tonight. I'm on my way tonight to the one I love, one I love. Blue moon, you saw me standing alone, without a dream in my heart, without a love of my own.
Oh yeah.
Wonderful, Terry.
Unnecessarily flash again.
I tried not anybody that's got to follow him.
Splendid.
Right, Kevin. Take your hand off your chin. It's you. And thanks for joining us, Kevin. We've enjoyed what you've done tonight.
It's good to see y'all. This was a song like Alan's, very, very sad and very, very morbid, and it was called The Hard Times of Old England. And then Les Barker got hold of it, and he thought, we don't want to know about hard times. What we want to know about is hard cheese. Well, there's Cheddar and Cheshire and Lancashire too. Leicester's bright orange and Stilton is blue. Well, it waxes so lyrical, what can you do? Sing, oh, the hard cheese of old England, in old England, very hard cheese. And Derby's got green bits because of the sage. When it gets older, it's kept in a cage. And what does it hum when it reaches this age? But oh, the hard cheese of old England, in old England, very hard cheese. Well, they say double Gloucester is twice as nice. They say double Gloucester, there I've said it twice. It's nice in potatoes, but nicest in mice. Sing, oh, the hard cheese of old England, in old England, very hard cheese. And those Edam foreigners aren't worth a mention, that old Gorgonzola's renowned for its stench. His brother Emile wrote novels in French, and oh, the hard cheese of old England, in old England, very hard cheese. Well, there's Swaledale and Wensleydale, Rutland to add, Shropshire and Cornish you may not have had. It's not bad on salads, this ballad's not sad. Oh, the hard cheese of old England, in old England, very hard cheese. My own love said to me, my parents won't mind. My father won't slate you for your lack of rhyme. No cheese grater, no cheese grater, no cheese grater love as is food than mankind. Sing, oh, the hard cheese of old England, in old England, very hard cheese. There they go.
Oh, yes, the great Les Barker, yes. Right, Alan, it's it's nearly 11. What time did you finish last week?
No idea. Have we had a break since last week?
It must have been. I think I looked at the YouTube recording. It was about 3.5 hours. So you must have finished about 11:30.
Well,
Anyway, we've got somebody decent running it tonight, so we're finishing in good time.
Who's that? Who's
Fuck off.
decent?
We lacked your composure and your controlling influence, John.
Exactly.
That's what it was.
Yeah.
I'll tell you, I've missed Mike and Helen tonight.
Yeah. And David, because he might be watching the recording. We've missed David too.
And Gaffer.
Gaffer.
Gaffer. Where's Gaffer?
And Paul Clark.
And Gwyn.
T. Gwyn.
Oh, blimey, we're missing lots of people, aren't we?
Lots and lots and lots, yeah.
Well, I'd have not finished till midnight if that lot had been here. So
Well, that'd have
there we
been
go.
good, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
And the sound of Alan Manouche as well.
Right, okay.
Yeah, the Manouche.
round the night off, Alan.
I've got a song which is a Ewan McCall song, and you know it, and it's known by two titles: The 30-Foot Trailer or Life of a Rover. Oh! I must just put my hang on one moment now. My computer's going a bit strange. I must put my the right background up because it's got the chorus on it. Hang on a moment. Oh, is that the one? Oh, look at that. So now you've got no excuse for singing the chorus in the privacy of your own home.
What key are you playing in, Alan?
I'm playing in C major. Lovely. Comfy key.
Beautiful, thank you.
The old ways are changing, you cannot deny. The way of the traveller is over. There's nowhere to go, and there's nowhere to bide. So farewell to the 30-foot trailer. Goodbye to the tent and the old caravan, the tinker, the gypsy, the travelling man. Farewell to the life of a rover. Farewell to the cant, to the Romany tongue. Farewell to the Romany talking, the buying, the selling, the old fortune telling, the knock on the door, and the hawking. Goodbye to the tent and the old caravan, to the tinker, the gypsy, the travelling man. Farewell to the life of a rover. Farewell to the pony, the cob and the mare. The reins and the harness are idle. You don't need a strap when you're breaking up scrap. So farewell to the bit and the bridle. Come on. Goodbye to the tent and the old caravan.
Tinker the gypsy, the travelling man. Goodbye. He's gone, hasn't he?
Gone, man. Solid gone.
Yeah, it's deed.
Farewell to the Alan.
Yes. Right.
Oh.
Right. Well, I think that's probably it. He's probably sitting there in his little
Mr.
room.
Alan Rhys Jones. Where are you?
Yeah, he's probably sitting there at home singing his little heart out, not
No.
knowing that he's frozen.
Will he edit it in before he puts it online?
Knock him. Give him a knock, John.
No, he's gone. But what's even worse, he'll be sitting there tomorrow in his little red and white bobble hat with his little dragon flag and his can of beer. And Wales are just going to get the shit beaten out of him. Oh, he's back.
Oh!
It's back like Alan, you're muted. Alan, you're muted.
It's a bugger, this technology, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, to the life of a rover. That's how it should have finished.
Lovely.
Just randomly me out. I shall have fibre to the house on the 21st of February, so I hope it'll be a bit more reliable.
Never work again.
Well, yeah, there we are.
It's
But I've
not
gone with
Prefer that
reliable.
ending to the sudden
Alan,
stop.
it's not bloody work, dear.
Well, we'll see. We'll see. I don't know where I cut off. It'll be interesting to see in the when I watch the. Was it in verse 1 or were we mostly through it? Do you think?
No, you
He
weren't.
didn't
Mo.
make any
I
comments
think
at all.
second verse, I think.
Oh dear, what a shame! I'll have to do it again next week.
Well, we've
Yeah.
heard it all
But
before.
you were perfectly framed when you froze, though.
I froze.
Yeah.
I've never frozen in front of,
You
front of people before now.
You know
I
how
pride
John
myself-
does his act where he forgets the words and freezes himself. It was one of those, Alan. Yeah.
I've never done that in my life.
Well,
Right.
it just cut me off for a few seconds, so there we go. Such is life.
I'm going to press the button to stop the recording so you can all watch this crap tomorrow,
There
should
we
you
are.
want it.
Look at that now.
And,
I thought
right,
you wanted
where's
to
the
tell
little
us what
button?
we
Stop
finished, Alan.
recording.